Hello YouTube, my name is K Miles. I want to do a review about my portable dishwasher. It's the RCA RDW-3208 brand, and it just finished on the cycle, and this is the result. It got everything clean. It's still a little wet because it just got done, so I'm gonna let it sit for a minute more, but I'm just showing you how it works. As you see, I have a boiler in here. I have a cup, some cups, and some little plasticware, some silverware also. And this is where the detergent cascade go complete. This is what I use. It's the liquid kind. You can also use this kind, the block kind, and put it in. I put both of them in, two of them in here when I use this, and I just fill the liquid up two sides when I use that. And I also use the cascade for the power dry. This helps get everything dried up. And I guess it don't want to let me get in here, but you pour it in here. And I'm just show you guys how to do it. That way my next load will be ready. So I pour a little there. That's that. Goes back on here. Ooh, got a little splash. And then I may be wrong, but this is what I've been doing, and it's been working out fine for me. Pour some in here and pour some in the other one, and it gets everything nice and smelling good and clean. Look at my forks, you guys. Look how good the forks are. Ooh, real nice and shiny. Now this you really don't have to push down, but I just did it since I got silverware in there. But normally you just push it in and leave that open. But I don't want to push it over and get on my dishes. I want it to dry. I just wanted to show you guys real quick how it works. And I just love it. I love it, love it, love it. Great, great invention. I love it. As you see, it's sitting on my countertop. And as you see, it's hooked up to my, move my dish rack. It's hooked up to my faucet. And I got stuff right here, but it's hooked up to my faucet, and it's on the on position of the hot. And that's where I kind of clean my glasses at before I put it in. And it's overall, I give it a 11 because I love it, and I don't have to wash dishes no more. That's the most important part that I love. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.